So basically, the reason why I've been against corrugated for so long in the residential industry is because I've ripped out tons of systems made with this stuff that has failed. Now, like I said, once I saw this pipe, it made a lot more sense to me to use this. And in Florida, see, Florida's climate differs from up north. I understand up north, you guys can't use PVC. You can't get away with using PVC because you have freezes and thaws. It cracks the pipe, and I fully understand that. We're fortunate enough we can use PVC down here in Florida and we don't have to worry about that, and it works excellent for residential purposes. But this pipe here for French drains, definitely going to be using this here in Florida because this pipe is built for residential purposes and it's built to last. You install this properly with geofabric and drain rock, this system is going to last forever if it's burrito wrapped. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to attach a link to his channel below. That way you can take a look at the videos and you can see how he builds his systems and how he installs them in the residential market. I mean, like I said, when I first started watching his videos, I was like, this is awesome. He's basically created a mini aquifer through people's yards that collects all the subsurface water in those low spots and all the surface water as well, and gets that water out of the yard into a better place. So we're gonna go ahead and attach those links below. And until the next time, this is Aero General Services.